drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
I'm Paul Bennett. I'm going to build a bin for some of my screws. These bins are made not just for the size of the box of screws that I'm putting in them. It's about 1.5 times capacity, because typically I'll buy another box of screws before I'm completely out of the previous one. Thanks for watching. Typically I buy screws by the 5-pound box. You can see what happens here. This one's just falling apart, the screws going everywhere. Ultimately they end up on the floor. I got to pick them up with a magnet. This one's on its way out. This one will break open soon. Different screw. These are Torx head screws. These are just Phillips head screws. These are coated, these aren't. I have a variety of different types of screws in different lengths. I really need to get organized, so I'm going to build a bin for this one here. I don't know if it's so cold out, I don't know if I'll get to this one today. I'll build this one, and then what I'll do is I'll draw up a set of plans, and so if anybody's interested, you can download them for free if you want to make some of these bins. I'm not going to use my X-Carve CNC machine for this. I'll just use conventional tools, because I know that most people don't have a CNC machine.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?